Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to create an image overlay hover factor using HTML and CSS only. As you can see, when I hover towards the image, then a text and a paragraph and some icons appear, and you can click on these icons and navigate to the Facebook, Instagram and Twitter ID, and this effect is applied to all the images as you can see. And we also have a nice animation. As you can see, when we hover it, then the hovering effect shows from the upward side. See, from the upward it's like a card closing, and it's responsive to when you site inspect it and apply any mobile phone you like. As you can see, it's responsive to for all the mobiles. Select whatever you like. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to open the folder where you want to create this project. Press shift and then press right click, and then you will get the option of open in terminal. Just click on that option and then type code space dot. By doing so, the VS Code is going to be open in that folder where you just type the command and then create two files. One file is going to be index.html and the another file is going to be index.css. After that, type HTML5 and this code is going to be automatically generated. Now type the title which you want. I am typing image overlay hover. Now let's create the skeleton of our page. Type div dot image container. Inside that we are going to have the image box, and inside our image box we are going to have the image. Also we have the content that going to be inside the div, name, image, content, and inside that we are going to have the heading that is going to be, let's say, Peaky Blinder, and the paragraph is going to be I for an eye, and then we're going to have the links. Type div dot links. Inside that we are going to have the 3 links, and let's insert the icons inside these links. In order to do so, go to the browser, type font awesome CDN, and then go to that link, copy it, paste it here. After that, let's select the icons, do the same, search font awesome and click on the first link. Now search for Facebook, click on it, copy it, paste it here. Similarly for Instagram, click on it, copy it, paste it here. Similarly for Twitter, type Twitter here, click on it, paste it here, save it, and then if I click on the go live button, you will see that our our skeleton is already ready. So now we just need to add the CSS to it and our work is going to be done. Let's work on our CSS now. The first thing we need to do is to link our CSS. So type link here and then type /index.css. Now let's use the classes The first thing we need to do is to type star and then curly braces. Inside that we are going to type margin is going to be 0, padding is going to be 0, and box sizing is going to be border box. After that, type dot and then the image container, or we can say image box. Inside image box, type position is going to be relative and the height is going to be 400 pixel. Now type image box and type image. Inside that we are going to have the height or width to be 100%. And this type width is going to be 400 pixel for now on. And here type position dot image content. Position is going to be absolute. Top 0, left 0, and then type display flex. Display content is going to be center. Align item is going to be center. Flex section is going to be column. And height is going to be 100%, I guess. Same for width, 100%. Now let's pick the image. Type pick blinder. Click on the images. Pick the image you like, and like I am picking that image. Right click, copy image link, and then paste it here. Save it, and as you can see, now we have image. Let's move the width and see what happened. Okay, so now let's adjust the font size of the heading and the paragraph. Type font size is going to be 2 rem, and for the paragraph and icon, font size is going to be 1.5 rem, and color is going to be white. So type dot image container color white, and now let's create the hover effect. In order to do so, type opacity is going to be 0 initially, and when we hover it, opacity is going to be 1. Now as you can see, we have that effect. Now type position is going to be cursor, or we can say cursor is going to be position. And now as you can see, when I scroll here, I see the text. Now let's add the blur effect. In order to do so, type background color, and it's going to be RGBA 0,0,0,016. Now as you can see, we have somewhat blackish effect. And now let's change the color of the links to white. So in order to do so, type dot links and then type a, and text decoration is going to be none, and color is going to be white. Now as you can see, we have that effect, and also type the margin right is going to be 10 pixel, and let's see what will this look. Okay, nice. Now let's apply the margin top, or we can say margin bottom. Global children's inside the image content class. By margin bottom is going to be 1. Now as you can see, we have that effect. Now let's add the transition here. Type transition, and transition is going to be 0.25 seconds, and for hover effect, transition is going to be 0.5 seconds, 25 seconds, and the transform, translate, y is going to be 0, and for that, transform, translate, y is going to be minus 40 pixel, and let's see what it looks. Now as you can see, it comes from the upside, and let's increase it to 100 pixel. Now as you can see, we have that effect. Let's try to increase the seconds, and what will happen, let's see. Now as you can see, we have a slow effect, but it looks pretty much nice. Now let's try to add more images here. And how to do so, click here, copy it and paste it here, save it, and let's change the title or the image. Click on, like I am selecting that image, copy main link, select it and paste it here. And now let's try something else here, like I am typing eyeball, you have a nice eyeball. I know it's a lame comment, but let's try it. Now let's one more image, and that image is going to be let's pick this image. Right click, copy main link, select it and paste it here. After doing that, go there again, copy main link and paste it here. Here we are going to type the natural beauty inside title, and here we are going to type the save trees. As you can see, we have that effect right now, and let's change it to cards. In order to do so, go there, type display is going to be flex, and then type justified content is going to be center, and margin is going to be 5 pixel. Copy it, cut it and paste it here. And now as you can see we have that effect. Type flex wrap is going to be wrap, and now change the height to 300 pixels and see how it looks. Okay, not bad. Now let's add the heading. In order to do so, go there, go upward and type h1 image overlay over effect, and then create a class here, and our class is going to be heading, and we're going to increase the font size of our heading. So type heading here, type font size is going to be 3 rem here, and text line is going to be center. Looks much better. Now let's see it's responsive or not. Click on it, click on any font you like. Now as you can see we have a responsive design. Now let's adjust the border. In order to do so, go there, type .img box and then type .img box. Inside that type image and then type comma and then type image content. Inside that type border radius is going to be 20 pixels. Now we have a rounding effect. Now let's increase the height. In order to increase the height, type 400 pixel here. Yeah, much better. And now if you try to inspect and open it in another floor, it's going to be opened very easily.